Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, The Stamps of Life. Now, I have so many fun things to share with you. You've probably seen our video for our club shipment that has these awesome hot air balloons and the matching dies, right? But if you know me, you know I always talk and I'm always crazy and I always design way more than I need. So I ended up designing this stamp set, which coordinates but is different than our club set. Different. Guess what, my friends? The first 24 hours it's on my website. It's also on flash sale. Say it with me, flash sale. Also, of course, there are dies that match those. Yay, right? We have to have the dies that match. There's those two items. Then words. I'm telling you guys, I could not stop. The sky's the limit. Adventure awaits. You make my heart soar. A journey starts with just one flight. Let your heart guide you right. Life is full of highs and lows. Hold on tight and enjoy the ride. Chase your dreams. Soaring with love. Some of these would be perfect on the inside of a card. Right? Yeah, there are also words on this one. Whoops, that's the club one. I should have read them to you. Dream big, rise and shine, it's your day to soar. You make my heart smile. Hello, hey, celebrate big and reach for the sky. Sending love and warm wishes to lift you up. Love it, right? Okay, then I don't know which one to show you next. I'm going crazy. Okay, I'm going to show you this one. It is a hot air balloon. Fold it. What? Look at this. Look at this. Okay, look how cute that is. First of all, look at that one. But then, wait for it. Are you ready for this one? Check this one out. Check this one out. Is that totally gorgeous or what? Don't you just absolutely love this? I so love it. It's so cute. Cute little teddy bear. Cute little teddy bear. Ooh, really quick, one more. I have a whole bunch. You guys, look at this stack on my desk. It's absolutely insane. Ooh, check this out though. What? You could, yes, of course, you know the rule. You can also, oh, sometimes it doesn't like to do it on camera. Ta-da, stand it up. And it literally looks like it's flying, right? I have more to show you, but wait, there's one more item to show you. Now, in the package, this does not look like much, but let me just prove to you that it is absolutely positively amazing. Look at this little lollipop. It has a little lollipop on the back. And look at this. It has love and then you. Look at this. What is it? It is 3 balloon dies. There are 3. 1, 2 with shadow dies and 1 on the back. 1 on the back. Don't forget the 1 on the back. Then you are going to have adore, hello. Look at how cute that is. Hello. And then here's love. Now I have more samples. Don't worry. Stay tuned. Ready? Move those all over because you guys, my design team went crazy. First of all, Michelle made a cute little stuffy. Look how cute this is. With the little falling heart. I love that. I love that. Now let's look at the extra hot air balloons because again, you know, the team goes crazy and look how cute that is. Love it. Look at those cute little balloons. So many different patterns. And you know what? When you see, think of whenever you see pictures of hot air balloons, there's always 10 different ones in the air, right? So it's important that we have all these different options. Using our double Z card. Love this. Isn't that cute? Fun, so fun. Ooh, look at this one. Cheryl used lots of 3D ink on this one. So cute. And they're literally just flying, right? They're all flying in the sky. Clouds are included. Yes, the clouds are included with the club set. Chase your dreams with the heart edge around it. Don't you love it? Look how pretty this one is. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, here's another one. You guys, seriously, the design team went crazy. They went crazy. They didn't stop. They just wouldn't stop. Here is a fun one, a shaker. Look at the shaker. Isn't that cute? Love it. And, okay, are you ready for this one? Hold on, sit down. If you're not sitting down, sit down right now because look at this one. Are you ready? Of course, it folds flat for mailing. Open it up and look at this. Look at this. This is our 5x7 shadow box die and also using our country road background die. Is that just mind-blowing? This is a work of art. If you give this to someone, they're going to keep it forever. They are going to keep it forever. Look at that. That is a work of art. That is not a card. That is a work of art. Folds flat for mailing, opens, stands perfectly. 5x7 shadow box card. Now, let's look at a couple more hot air balloons because hello, you can never have too many hot air balloons. Let me open this one up. There we go. There's a cute one. Look at the fun little woo, woo, woo around it. Ooh, look at all the layers. So now in this hot air balloon, you guys, I want you to realize you're getting a lot of heart layering nesting dies also. So you're getting one, I gotta count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, yeah, it's 4. Okay, I was trying to figure it out. 4 layering heart dies in there. So you really can build that up, and look at how pretty that is. Look at how gorgeous that is. I'll add some foam squares behind it. So cute. Now, okay, I saved these for last because, you guys, I don't know what to do with these. I love them so much. I love, love, love them. So here we go on a mini slimline. Look at that balloon. Love. Look at how cute that is. I love it. Oh, are you kidding? Who made this? Yvette. Are you kidding? On a slimline decal edge, 2 balloons, adore and love. You make my heart soar. Look at how stunning that is. You guys, if you're giving these kind of cards to people, they're going to freak out. They're going to freak out. Look how cute this one is. Adore. She's holding the balloon. She is literally holding that balloon. I absolutely love that. That's our twin bears. I made those bears when I found out we were having twins. Here we go. Hello, get well soon with our cute little bandage. He's holding flowers. Get well soon. Yeah, I hope you're feeling a little bit better each day. So sweet. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Dream Big. That Dream Big stamp is in the club set, I believe. It's either the club set or it's the regular one. But yes, it's in there. It's in the, in the add-on. Look at that. Dream Big. Look at that. Ooh, I love the twine wrapped around. Cheryl, I love the twine wrapped around that. Isn't that gorgeous? Adore, my friends. The first 24 hours these items are on our website. They're on flash sale. Don't forget to check out that bundle because you save even more. Club members, yes, you get your club discount on all of these items. And you want some of these items especially to go with your club set that you're getting automatically in the mail. If you're not in the club, you're missing out, and I feel so sad. Don't miss out. Treat yourself. Buy a little something for yourself. The Stamp Club only is $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month made in the USA photopolymer stamps, highest quality. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. All of these ideas and more are on our website under the gallery section. Go check them out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.